Did you know you can embed Power BI report into a PowerPoint presentation and still interact with the dashboard right inside the slide? Well, now you're about to learn how to do exactly that. As you can see in this slide, I've embedded Power BI report and still preserve all the interactivity. If you don't need to show the full dashboard in one slide, you can also select a single visual and embed only that visual in your slide. What's more, you can also add some annotation. So for better storytelling in your PowerPoint presentation, you can do that as well. Let's look how we can do that. Create new PowerPoint file, add Power BI add-in, go to Power BI app, copy URL link, and insert to PowerPoint slide. If you opt to insert a single visual only, go to Power BI app, click on three dots, click on Share Link to this visual, and again insert that to the slide placeholder. By the way, PowerPoint embedded with Power BI report respects all the security, meaning only users that have access to Power BI app will be able to access the embedded Power BI content in PowerPoint that was inserted from that app. For better storytelling, you can annotate on the embedded Power BI content. By the way, this can be done only on a single visual. And just like that, your presentation becomes dynamic, no more static screenshots. Follow for more Power BI tips.